Hi guys, my name is Mia Rodriguez and I'm speaking with The Buzz about my new song, I Love You.
I love you so much, I wanna punch you in the face. I love you so much, I wonder how your blood tastes. I love you so much that it could even be mistaken for hate when I say
I actually never wanted to be a singer, and then I randomly started TikTok and then it blew up. And I was like, I can sing. Maybe I'll just like try to do covers and stuff. I never really expected anything. And then labels started reaching out and then like everything just blew up. And then I fell in love with it and I'd watch videos of superstars performing and I'd be like, wow, I actually do really want to do this. I want to be like that. And yeah, I didn't really expect anything, but I hoped for the most. I have very high ambitions. I actually had no plan in life. I went through high school with undiagnosed ADHD, so I was like everywhere. I just always spaced out. I struggled a lot with anxiety. I was a pretty quiet kid, and so jumping into something so huge, I had to grow up pretty fast. Working with a lot of adults and fans and performing, and I threw myself in the deep end a lot. I was just like, you know what? The worst that's gonna happen is that I'm not gonna go anywhere. And so might as well just go all out, you know what I mean? I just didn't really think about it, I just went for it.
think I'm coming on too strong with my hands around your neck. Only wanna love you wrong, cause at least you won't forget.
I feel like it's super weird when you have a feeling of love and hate in your heart at the same time, and I wanted to kind of put that into one song. And the lyrics, I love you so much, I want to punch you in the face, is a mix of love and hate. And yeah, I just wanted to make a point. I think it's very interesting singing really dark music while making the music videos look really happy. But I guess this recent one isn't too happy, I guess. But I do like mixing cuteness with scariness. I think I just really like the contrast between opposite things. Specifically in the music video I Love You, I'm just like so obsessed in love with this person, and I kill them. So like it's very interesting to see the contrast between that. I write about my experiences that I went through, and I'm very grateful that I went through these tough experiences, because then I can create great music and bring good out of the bad.
It's a sick, sad world. If you're not making it better, just shut up, boy, shut up. It's a sick, sad world. If you're not down to whatever, just shut up, boy, shut up.
I used to watch a lot of like kids shows on like Nickelodeon and stuff when I was young, and specifically a show called Victorious. I loved Ariana Grande in that show, and they just seemed so cool. And I was too shy to sing in front of my mom, so when she'd go out for work, I would put on karaoke and just sing my heart out. And so yeah, I just kind of taught myself to sing, and I loved it. Growing up, I had a lot of phases, and so it kind of just like morphed into one. I had an emo phase listening to pop punk, K-pop, just like normal pop, even rap. I think all of that I like to combine, kinda. I don't even do it consciously, kinda just like subconsciously. I definitely get the thrill from performing. I love the performance aspect of my career. I love putting on a show. I love making it exciting. I feel like a lot of that's kind of lost throughout the years. You look back to even just the 2000s, and there's Britney Spears holding a snake on stage, and Michael Jackson dancing, having backup dancers. Like, I want to bring that back. I want to bring the power back. I want to bring energy back. Instagram and TikTok. Instagram, Mia Rodriguez with 3 Z's. And TikTok is mia.rodriguez.z.z. Just play that back a couple of times. I like replying to fans, but like, I get some weird ass shit, like, let me kiss your feet. Like, what the? I'm pretty real on social media. I feel like there's not as many misconceptions as there should be. Someone called me a catfish, which, I don't know, I feel like if you post yourself without makeup in the first place, you're not a catfish because you're still showing people what you look like. I agree though, I do look very different, but, you know, who doesn't with makeup? But, yeah, I would say that's it.
I love you so much, I wanna punch you in the face.
Hi, my name is Mia Rodriguez, and you've just been buzzed.